Samsung just killed one of the most iconic Galaxy features, but they're stealing Apple's magic trick. What's up, guys? Atif here with the truth about the Z Fold 7's biggest sacrifice and why it might actually be genius. 1. The sacrifice. The Z Fold 7 is ditching built-in S Pen support to become the thinnest foldable ever, under 10 millimeters. But here's the twist. Samsung's copying Apple's Pencil tech with a new battery-powered stylus launching in June. 2. Apple's secret weapon. Unlike the old electromagnetic S Pen, this new stylus uses active electrostatic tech, just like Apple Pencil. That means no more built-in digitizer, thinner displays, but requires charging. Exclusive to Z Fold 7, Samsung's new cash cow. 3. Display revolution. The trade-off: a game-changing screen upgrade, 1.9% visible crease, almost invisible, new anti-reflective coating, stronger flexible glass. Thanks to that removed digitizer, Samsung's engineers went wild. 4. Battery paradox. Same 4,400 mAh battery as Fold 6, but thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite, it lasts 55 minutes longer. TechChap's tests prove optimization beats raw capacity in foldables. 5. Oppo's warning. With Oppo's Find N5 setting new thinness standards, Samsung had to act. But was killing S Pen support the right move? Vote in the poll. Launching July. Want a real durability test? Smash that subscribe button and comment, would you trade S Pen support for a thinner phone? Watch next, S25 Edge, the phone nobody expected.